Hey everyone, do you want to sell on Temu and start making some money? Let me show you how to get started in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on Temu. Open the app or go to the website. Tap on the sign up button and enter your details to create a seller account. It's that easy. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose what you want to sell. Go to the seller dashboard and select your product category. You can choose from a wide range of categories like electronics, fashion, home goods, and more. Now click on Add Product and start listing your items. You need to provide product images, a detailed description, and set your price. Make sure product descriptions are clear and your photos look great. This is how you'll grab the buyer's attention. Next, set up your payment details. Temu will ask you to link your bank account so you can receive payments. Make sure you enter the correct info so that you'll get paid quickly. Finally, don't forget to promote your products. Share them in social media, offer discounts, or join Temu's promotional campaigns to boost sales. And that's it. You're now ready to sell on Temu. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more selling tips. Happy selling and see you next time.